We'll guide you through how to make and craft a name tag in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To go and do this, we're going to go and need a data pack. So first of all, come out of Minecraft. You can go and search for name tag Minecraft data pack, or just go to the link in the description, which will bring you here. Then all you need to do is click on versions at the top, and we can go and see the downloads here. So there's the data pack download and the mod download. In this case, so we want the data pack. Go and click on it and click on download. You can open up your file explorer and come to your downloads, and here it is. Now return to Minecraft. Either you can add it to an existing world or to a new one. I'll add it to an existing world, so select it, click on edit and click on open a world folder. And come into data packs and now go to your other file explorer by hovering over it and come to your downloads. And then what you can do is go and drag it in or copy and paste it, and there it is. Then go and click on save and come into the world. Now come to a crafting table. What you're going to go need is 1 piece of string and 2 bits of paper. To get paper, you'll need to go and use sugarcane. You can get string from a spider. Then what you can do is go and place 2 bits of paper into the crafting table with 1 piece of string, and you'll go and get yourself a name tag. It's that simple.